In a paradise, we can work it out and see the hard times fading.
Lah, sini pun nggak kebeli ya.
Lantai 3. Lantai 3 Shibuya scramble.
In the sunrise, we can flee the night. Flee the night. Searching for a seeing, someone who knows what is to come. 'Cause the future's yet deceiving. She breaks promises for fun. Strange motions, like a shift in the flow. A change coming, it's inevitable. In a paradise, we can work it out and see the hard times fading. In the sunrise, we can flee the night. Flee the night. In a paradise, we can work it out and see the hard times fading. In the sunrise, we can flee.
Lantai 4. Lantai 4.
Whenever you're lonely, just pick up the phone and call me. I'll be there. Girl, let me show you, you're my one and only, like I told you. I'll be there. And if you get blue, I got the loving for you. Yeah, I'll be there. Your heartache, it kills me, but your loving, it thrills me.
Orang itu.
I'll be there. Whatever tomorrow may hold, I know you're the one for me, child. And when we're together, my love, you give me hope and a way to cope. Yeah, yeah. I'll be there. Ooh, I'll be there. And when I'm at home, I got no one to hold. Won't you tell me I'll be there? If my mind is reeling.
Lantai 5.
Maybe I never knew what I really wanted, but looking back I can see it's all clear. I'm still a kid trying to act like they all taught me, but nothing makes sense anymore.
Ya. Bisa dipinjemin 200.000 bisa. Kalau mau yang mana?
Oh, it hurts to grow up, 'cause nothing makes sense anymore. Oh, it hurts to grow up. seen it all coming, that I wouldn't grow wiser for each day. Am I the only one lost in translation? When nothing makes sense.
Ada yang suka palladium. Ini sepatu enak pakai.
Oh, it hurts to grow up, 'cause nothing makes sense anymore.
Lantai 6. Lantai 6. Oh, yang ini ramai sana.
You must be working way up
Ini
time.
itu yang mana dah?
Around
Sebenarnya
fast
beda
when
tapi.
you was caught. You must be tired standing in line, waiting for something you don't even know. In the fall, I'll be around, and I know just what you need when things start to fall. I'll be around in the storm, 'cause the feeling is right. The feeling is right.
Lantai 7. Shibuya Scramble.
The feeling is right with you.
Iya. Di sini waktu itu.
This morning I couldn't wake you
Deh.
up. Around fives when you were asleep. I'm happy to have you for a while. I need to tell you just how I feel. Yeah. In the fall, I'll be around, and I know just what you need when things start to fall. I'll be around. In the storm, 'cause the feeling is right.
Apaan kamu lihat di mana? Oh iya, emang.
Feeling is right.
Yang gede gitu. Tapi banyak sih orang yang pakai bahan rada lebar.
Tides, they're moving you closer
Ini bawahnya bisa diserut.
and away.
Ini
'Cause the feeling is good.
ini keren.
Yeah, the feeling is good.
Ini keren nih. Loh, ini nggak tebal-tebal banget tuh, begini doang. Soalnya aku nanti pulang sembuh. Nanti pas pulang baru sembuh. Kita naiknya dari sini. Naik ya.
The feeling is right with you.
Lantai 8. Ya, kita pernah lihat.
Do you recall when we were young, running from all things at once, without thinking twice? And I knew it would catch up, and that we would be the ones left behind. The stories I've been told, they never seem to leave my mind. And this road that I am on, I gotta stay here for
Lantai 9. Ini apaan? Benang? Apaan sih? Oh, aroma core. Dia ada baunya.
Time has gone and I grew up. I somehow made it through without losing sight. And I still
Lantai 9 gersang.
and if you found a way out from the dark.
Dan ada kopi budek.
Stories I've been told.
Kopi budek. Masih naik. Masih naik, masih ada lagi. Lantai 10. Yang pertama yang lantai dasar. Yang tali doang.
Tali doang.
Yang tali doang. Terus yang kedua kan yang
Talinya.
ya yang 14 ribuan itu. Yang ketiga kan yang tadi yang hitam sama abu.
It's been so long since I had time to think about it. Some say it's wrong to spend all your time on one moment of joy. 'Cause when you're beside me, I know we make it past the storm. No reason to fight it. We just have to wait until it's gone. You ask me why I'm so sure, and I don't know why. Just want all the things I don't worry about.
Lantai 11.
I'm looking at the side where we all used to get high. It's easy to recall those nights. Now I'm at the horizon, trying to make up my mind. Should I move on and look back this time? I'm scared of the unknown, baby. It's something that I've thought about lately. I'm lost, thinking I will rise up someday when it all will make sense in my mind. But I'm lost, still feel like a child who's got forever. But it's now or never.
Starbucksnya
It's so hard to find
keren juga sih.
what I'm all about.
Belahan sama toko buku.
I'm thinking of the places where I will never go. They belong to
Woi,
another.
jalannya kok makin aneh.
Kakinya juga.
But I can see all the faces in my mind. They start to show.
Kita pipis dulu. Naik ke atas.
I'm scared of the horizon.
Dia toilet.
I don't know what it's hiding.
Jadi nggak tahu kamu harus di toilet.
I'm lost, thinking I will rise up someday when it all will make sense in my.
Oke, kita sampai di lantai 12. Ini sisanya kalau ke atas ini makanan-makanan semua, udah restoran semua. Monja ya bukan. Monja ini dari dulu kalau kesini pasti ngantrinya panjang. Mana TV-nya? Kalau ada belanja di Scramble, Shibuya Scramble, jangan lupa tax free counter ya. Tax free counternya dia ada di luar lantai 3. Nanti kalau belanja dikasih kertas seperti ini, jangan sampai hilang. Sekian dan terima kasih.